Tools needed: mashers with a flat pads, sculpting mashers, tweezers jack, bail batters. Glass needed: transparent green rod, transparent green stringer. Melt the glass rod. Flatten the glass with pad mashers to create the base. For the pea pod, press the glass in the middle with the sculpting mashers. To create an angle, carefully elongate the end of the pea pod for a more graceful shape. Let's make peas. Melt the stringer. Make round drops. These will be the future peas. Start from the middle and add one more pea on each side. If you want to make the pea larger, add more glass. Close the pod on the sides with flat pad mashers. Gently close the end of the pod. Carefully close the other end of the pod with the tweezers. Melt a glass rod and the free end of the pod. Connect them. Unconnect the big rod. Let's make a hanging loop. Melt a glass rod. And add a drop of glass into the pod's free end. Make a hole with the help of the bail biter. Using tweezers, carefully disconnect the finished pea pod. Your pea pod charm is ready. Enjoy!